Hello, this is Kilo Alpha 8 Sierra Yankee Victor. I'm making this video to demonstrate the Beverage on-ground or bog antenna I installed for the upcoming Bouvet expedition. I live on what amounts to a suburban lot, so I don't have a lot of land, but I've got a little bit, and I'm hoping the bog will get me in the log on the low bands. I'll start from the termination point here. So on this Beverage on-ground antenna, it begins here. This is the termination, and I just have a couple of terminating resistors in parallel. I believe they're 470 ohm resistors that I got from DX Engineering, and a 4-foot ground rod. And now the part of the video where I walk this bog, you can see it's a very thin antenna, very thin active element, I should say. And of course, it's not over. We're on pretty hilly ground here in West Virginia. Here's my neighbor. Good day to burn. It's been cold and wet. So anyway, you can see the ground slopes down, but this is going behind me 140 degrees, and I believe the back bearing is 320. Can't recall. Anyhow, walking down the hill past the compost. And now we're into the wooded area. These are leaves crunching. And I may edit this out or tell you where to fast forward ahead, because this is going to be kind of boring, and it's hard to see the wire, but I'm going to go around this brush and get where the wire is. Here's my feed cable, kind of running parallel to the wire. The bog antenna is 200 feet long. That is what I purchased from DX Engineering in a pre-cut piece of wire. Down here is the feed point of the bog. And that's pretty much it. So the driven element here goes to the active part of the antenna, and this is the ground to a 4-foot ground rod down here. RG6 I got off of QRZ years ago, a single piece going back up the hill to the shack. So I hope this is helpful. It wasn't that hard to put in, and hopefully it'll get some good results. This is Kilo Alpha 8 Sierra Yankee Victor.